Hey guys, today I'll be showing you an awesome and easy gift wrapping idea. What you will need: the mini Bodabra bow maker. You will also need some ribbon of your choice. This ribbon is so gorgeous. It's from a company called La Ribbon. And this one says best wishes. It's 1 inch in width. And then the gold is 1 1/8 inches in width. They are both 36 inches long. You will also need bow wire and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is fold your bow wire in half and place it down in the center of your Bodabra. And I think I'm going to start with the printed piece. I want that kind of as my base because it's slightly wider than the best wishes piece. So I haven't really measured or anything for this specific bow. I just kind of like to take a long piece of ribbon and go with the flow, honestly. So the first thing I'm going to do is 5 inches or so. I'm going to scrunch. So I'm going to fold it in half, bring the front and the back up. And before I place it down, I'm going to twist it and place it down. Just like that. And the reason I had to twist it is because this ribbon is only printed on one side. So if you have ribbon that's printed on both sides, you don't have to twist. For the ribbon printed on one side, definitely make sure you twist so that you have the right side of the ribbon showing at all times. Make a nice little loop. Again, if you want to measure, you can do so, but I kind of just eye it. It also depends on the size of your gift. So if you have a huge gift, then make the loops larger. A smaller gift, make them smaller. Here, and I'm going to scrunch and twist and place it down. Okay, so I'm going to do the exact same thing again. I'm going to scrunch, twist, and place it down. Pretty much do it until my ribbon starts to run short, kind of like now. So I'm going to, next time I'm going to just scrunch it. And I don't have to twist because I do want this side to stay up because this is the end of my ribbon. And place it down, and I don't have to twist because I want this last little piece to stay visible. Just like that. Definitely use your wand to kind of scrunch it all together. And I like having the loops the different sizes and the tails the different sizes because I think that just looks really fun. Sometimes I do measure and keep them all the same size, so it just depends on how you are feeling. Since I started the first piece over here, I'm going to start this piece on this side, and because I want to be able to read the best wishes, the front of the gift. So I'm going to scrunch and twist and place it down just like that. And I'm going to just continue doing the same steps that I did with the first ribbon until I feel like I have enough loops or until I run out of ribbon. And then just like before for the last scrunch, I'm not going to twist it because I want to keep this part visible. Just like that. And with your wand in place, you can kind of move everything around. And it just looks so cute. Okay, now you're going to take your bow wire and the two open ends, go inside of the loop, hold your bow in place and give it a nice tug. We are going to just tie it in a knot a couple of times. Now, once you get your knots tied, you can either cut away the excess or you can keep the bow wire long and you can actually tie this to your gift if that is an option depending on the size of your gift. But just maneuver everything. So that's how it's looking. I think that's so cute and precious. If you'd like, you can add tulle or even more ribbon. It's completely up to you. Just have fun with it and make it your own. If you want to place a center, you can definitely do that, but I think it looks adorable just like this. So the last thing to do is place it on our gift. Okay, so you have several options when you're replacing the bow on your gift. One option is to just cut away the excess bow wire and hot glue it in place. Just like that. But I kind of try not to do that because I like to save my bows. If you have no other choice, then you can just place a small amount of glue and glue it in place. Or if you had your bow wire longer, then you could just take it and place it around and tie it at the bottom of your gift. But I actually have some of this like decorative rope. It's thicker than the bow wire, and I think I want to use this to accent my gift. So what I'm going to do is place it around the top, turn my gift over, and kind of switch it like that, and then come back around. Okay, and then instead of just coming up and tying it, I like to take it underneath the first piece just for extra security. I'm just making sure everything is nice and tight, and then I can tie it in a knot just like that. And the good thing about doing it this way is you can cut off the excess bow wire. You can place your bow on the top and you don't have to glue it. The decorative rope, and boom, just like that. So it attaches your bow to your gift, but it's also decorative, so it adds into the pretty decor. And then just manipulate, fix everything exactly the way you want it. So you can leave the center tied in a knot like that, or if you want, you can actually tie it in a cute little bow just like that. So it's completely up to you. I'm just fluffing up my bow. If you'd like, you can add like 3 or 4 pieces of the rope. You can just leave that off altogether and just hot glue the bow to the top of your gift. Possibilities are endless. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But this is quick, easy, and it looks so cute and precious.